BuzzSumo is a popular tool for social media management and analytics, but before you make a decision, there are 12 important things you need to know to decide if it's really the best option for your needs. Stick around, because we'll also share an alternative solution you can try for free. The first thing to know is that BuzzSumo excels at content discovery. If finding trending topics and analyzing what's performing well in your niche is your priority, BuzzSumo delivers. However, tools like Hootsuite and Sprout Social offer additional features like post scheduling and team collaboration, which BuzzSumo lacks. Next thing, its backlink tracking feature is a standout, letting you see who's linking to your content. But compared to competitors like SEMrush, which offers in-depth SEO tools alongside backlinks, BuzzSumo's capabilities feel limited if you're looking for a more comprehensive approach. The third thing is the simplicity of its interface. BuzzSumo is easy to navigate, but this simplicity comes at the cost of customization. Competitors like HubSpot provide more robust dashboards with tailored analytics. Another point to consider is the content alerts. BuzzSumo allows you to set up notifications for trending content or competitor activity. It's great, but services like Mention or Brand24 provide more dynamic alerts, especially for reputation management and social listening. Now, let's talk about influencer identification. BuzzSumo is known for its database of influencers, making it easier to identify key players in your industry. However, platforms like Tracker or Upfluence specialize in influencer campaigns and might be a better fit for influencer marketing-focused goals. The sixth thing is its pricing. BuzzSumo's plans start reasonably, but quickly climb for more features. Compared to tools like Buffer or Canva Pro, which offer social analytics and design tools for a similar price, you might feel like BuzzSumo isn't as well-rounded. Another point is the competitor analysis. BuzzSumo does a great job of comparing content performance. But for more detailed insights into audience demographics and behavior, tools like Social Bakers or Sprinkler go further. The thing is that BuzzSumo integrates with tools like Facebook and Twitter, but lacks the deeper integrations with CRM software or project management tools that platforms like Zoho Social or AgroPulse offer. Next thing is its API. While BuzzSumo does provide access to its data for custom solutions, developers might find its API less flexible compared to competitors like Meltwater or Brandwatch. Let's talk data export. BuzzSumo makes it easy to export data, but the customization of reports can feel basic. Tools like Tableau or Google Data Studio might offer more advanced reporting options for teams needing deeper insights. The 11th thing is customer support. BuzzSumo provides solid email support, but competitors like Sprout Social or HubSpot often include live chat or even phone support, which can make a big difference if you need immediate help. Finally, its free plan is quite limited. While BuzzSumo offers some free access, most of its core features are locked behind paid tiers. By contrast, tools like Later or Metrical often provide more functionality in their free versions. BuzzSumo is a great tool, especially for content discovery and competitor research. But if you're looking for a more versatile solution that combines analytics, scheduling, and team management, check out our recommended platform. It's free to try and could save you both time and money.